From the moment this client told us that he's already aboard flight coming to Brazil, I was already right there at the airport the second day waiting for our arrival. I was just holding my phone just to be able to capture the moment she will come out from that disembarking hallway. So, it was just a good moment actually. This is not my first time of receiving people at the airport, but I'm not so good with paparazzi. But then I just tried all I could, just holding my camera. There she comes. She was so happy coming with more. She's coming with a lot of bags, and she's so happy. Thank you. And the first thing that we do, as knowledge club, we have to treat her to some delicious Brazilian meal before we take before I took her to the connecting flight, because that wasn't actually São Paulo wasn't our final destination, and here we are in the flight. Before she came, before she got to Brazil, we already prepared. I've already booked a very comfortable first class seat for her. In local flight, the first class is those first set of seats, right? So she was very surprised. Actually, it's expensive, but then we have to treat our client very good. She was able to stretch her legs. She was peeping out from the window. She was like, "Oh my God, oh my God!" She was just making people, I intentionally allowed that nobody's going to be sitting beside her. So eventually we got to the school, and we went to the HOD of the department. Guess what? The woman was very happy to receive her. She took her inside the car, and myself, she was showing us around the school, telling her the different departments, showing her where the school restaurant is, showing her the professor's office, showing her the library. It took a lot of time. I was like, wow, this is kind of reception myself didn't get when I got to Brazil. So the woman was just taking us around here and there. My client was very, very happy. Like, wow, she came to Brazil, she got to Brazil, and she was, like, oh my God, I'm in a safe hands. She was so. Look at the beautiful, the landscape of the school. Look at the view of this, everywhere, just beautiful city, beautiful school. So the woman was just, taking us around in a jeep. Eventually, this my client. She likes photo. Taking this photo, pam, another one, pam. Eventually took us to the person that we can refer to as the rector of the school, and so that was the rector of the school. And Intu was very happy. In fact, he said she is the first black person in the school. So, but this is my client, she was very happy, and she's going to be receiving stipends from next month. So, if you are coming to Brazil, make sure that your application or the school you're going to be getting is the type that will be giving you stipend. Look at my client again. She was very happy, and that is the end of my short story. If you're planning to come to Brazil, don't forget to contact Knowledge Blog. Até breve. Ciao, ciao.